Hi there guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Girl Next to the Sun. I hope you all are doing well. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I talk about a lot on hair care, skincare and wellness. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello again. So today we are going to talk about something that right now if you go to Instagram, you are always going to see this product everywhere. It's so viral and that's why I had to order it and try it for myself. So if you go to Instagram nowadays, we see always everywhere the ad of Goodbug. Yeah, if you have heard of it, you can just go, and if you have not heard of it, you can just go and search about it. Goodbug is an Ayurvedic wellness brand that creates product that caters to your gut health and also leads to weight loss. So not all the products are about weight loss, but Goodbug's most famous, most viral product is this one, which I have brought over here. Okay, this is the Goodbug's 14-day gut cleanse challenge. Now I'm trying to lose weight and I'm also trying to improve my gut health, and I see these ads everywhere. It is kind of hard to difficult, but when I saw HRX collaborating with Goodbug, that's when I got some confidence and I brought this big huge box. Okay, so this is their gut cleanse challenge, 14-day of gut cleanse challenge. It comes in this yellow colored box. As you see, it's written here gut cleanse, and gut cleanse means that this box contains small shots like this. So the box contains small shots like this, and each of these shots contain a liquid which you need to consume to clean your colon. So this product does not claim that it wants to make you lose weight. Rather, this is a probiotic drink means it is going to clean whatever basically garbage you have in your colon and in your stomach, and it cleans out and flushes out the toxins out of your system. So yeah, obviously because of all the parties and outside eating, we all go through this phase where we I think once or twice in a week we do eat unhealthy food, right? So that is the reason why I wanted to try this out to see if this works on me. And I'm going to show the entire journey, but these small bottles, the way you have to have it is in the morning, shake this bottle very well and have it empty stomach early in the morning. After having this, wait for 40 to 60 minutes, which is basically 1 hour, and then you can have your breakfast, right? So like this, there are 14 different shots. These are called shots. 14 different shots in this box is almost broken inside this entire thing. I show you there are many, 14 basically, and yeah, every day in the morning you need to consume this entire box. I have ordered from Amazon. It has taken me around 649 rupees, which is okay, it is affordable at this price. And the kind of reviews that it had on Instagram, so many people talking about it, so many good reviews as in in terms of feeling light, in terms of flushing out all the waste, all the toxins, making you feel more energetic. These were really some things that I was looking for, and that is the reason why I ordered this. So, and along with that, there's one more thing. Because I have invested my money, I also wanted to check whether this is going to lead to any weight loss or not. So you will see that I weigh in myself on the first day, and on the 15th day, which is after the last day of the gut cleanse challenge, I have weighed out myself just to see whether cleansing my gut has any effect or not. So today it's day 1. I just woke up, and yeah, like we know that we need to have this first thing in the morning. So yeah, like I said, we are going to weigh yeah, so we are going to weigh ourselves to see. So yeah, let's check out my weight first, starting weight. And yeah, I know it's not going to be good, but let's see. So guys, this is my starting weight. Show you better. So my starting weight is 86. Okay, and today is 5th of February, and yeah, I'll show you the Goodbug box and what I'm having now. So this is the box, very big box. Right, so we'll have the first shot today. Ugh. Smells completely like jeera, like जैसे जीरा भर भर के डाले हैं. Taste is not bad. I don't know why people are saying everywhere the taste is bad, but taste is not bad. Jaljeera खाए हो आप लोग? If you had jaljeera before, then it actually tastes like that. By the way, I'm totally on empty stomach, and that's how you should have it. Empty stomach in the morning. Today I don't have to go to office. Okay, I'm doing work from home, and that's definitely safer because yeah, you have to run to office bathroom as they have already told 3 times minimum you have to go. So it tastes like a very very strong jaljeera, but does not taste bad, by the way. So yeah, I think it was good. Let's see tomorrow, and I will definitely tell you how the entire day went. Bye. Hi, it's day 2, and yesterday was the first day, and yeah, the first impression was quite good. There was no drastic change in how it worked. Like Goodbug claimed that I might have to run to the bathroom 2-3 times in a day. That never happened. However, I'm someone who is always, who does always suffer from slight constipation. But then yesterday there was nothing as such. The motion was quite, relaxed and good. So in that case, yeah, definitely that I will attribute that to Goodbug. But yeah. I hope that continues today also, because today I'm going to office and I don't want to run to the office bathroom 2-3 times in a day. So let's take today's shot. Taste is good. However, the only problem is it's very very strong. Then day 3 today. Hi there guys. So yesterday we had a crazy party and I ate like a cow. Okay. Now okay, I am at least feeling that, today is day 4, by the way. At least I'm feeling that because I'm having this, all the toxins and the, junk that I had yesterday, that will be cleared out. So it's kind of giving me a mental satisfaction. Okay. Day 4 done. I just woke up and I realized that I did not even remove my makeup before I slept. I was so tired. We have friends over at house, and we have been eating outside from Friday, and today is Sunday. I really need this today. So today is 5th day. Let's do it. Day 5 done. Done. Hi guys, good morning. So yeah, back with this. It's written here that it tastes best when chilled. So yeah, this one I kept in the fridge overnight, and now I'm going to have this. It's thanda thanda, cool cool. Uh, Not bad. I'm probably the only person who would say that this taste is good. Hi guys, so today is last day. Today is day 14, and yeah, the last shot. I'm definitely going to miss this, doing this every single morning. And yeah, I'm going to. If you remember, I took my weight on day one, which was around 86 kgs, and tomorrow I'm again going to take weight. So I'm very excited. Let's see, and let's take the last shot. Hi guys, so today is day 15 morning, and yeah, if you remember that I did weigh myself on the first day, and my weight was 86. So today, let's check out even if I have lost some 10 grams of weight. Let's see. Can you see that? I could not even imagine that. I lost. My starting was 86 and now it's 85.25. In 14 days, I have lost around 750 grams of weight. I can't imagine. Oh my god. I didn't do anything. I had biryani. I had so much food. Oh my god. So, as you see, that was a great outcome, I would say. Yeah, I lost almost, I think 700 grams, 750 grams of weight loss happened in 14 days. Just to tell you, I did not do any dieting in this entire 14 days. Okay, I just had home cooked meal. I had biryani in these 14 days. I had Punjabi chicken dish. I had naan. I had kulcha. I had ice cream. I had a lot of outside food. Not a lot. I think I had 4 to 5 days worth of outside food in these 14 days. But despite all of that, my weight has dropped from 86 to 85.25 in 14 days, and which I'm very happy about. Especially because this product never claimed that it is going to make you lose weight. The only claim that it did is it's gonna make you feel very light, it's gonna make you feel very energetic, and it's going to clean your gut. Now finally, if I want to conclude whether you need this in your life or not, well, the very first thing, what are the good things that happened? First is definitely it cleansed my gut. I'm someone who faces constipation problem, but after having this, I did not face that. It was very relaxed and my bowel movement was very good. That is the first thing. Second thing, I didn't ask for the weight loss, but that happened. The product didn't claim that it will lead to weight loss, and still that happened. So that's why I'm very happy about this one. Now, the other claims, like, making you feel very light and very energetic, I really did not see that happening. Okay, it never happened. I never felt very energetic, like super extra energetic or something. That did not happen. Okay, to be honest, I don't know if I should have had another packet of, these 14-day shots or not, but yeah, the colon cleansing definitely happened, and I definitely lose some weight, even if that is just in grams, but it did happen. So I believe that was all the bad things inside of my body going out of the system. So yeah, that is all about this video. And also I mentioned that I see a lot of videos mentioning that the taste is bad. The taste is not bad. I don't know why. I like the taste of jeera. It is a very common thing that is used in Indian household, right? And this is like, exactly like how jaljeera tastes, only stronger. Okay, it's like a very non-diluted version of Jaljeera. That's all it is. It does not taste bad. It was a very good experience for me. Now if I again, maybe 1 month down the line, 2 months down the line, if I again face a lot of bloating, constipation problems, and I feel that I need some cleansing, I'm definitely going to buy this again. Okay, so overall it was a great experience, and I will see to buy this once again. So I hope this review helped you to make an informed decision. I hope you, when you try, write down in comments what was your feeling about this product, if you have tried the other products from Good Work. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.